Hello, I'm Smithy, the van's a Contiki. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you've been before, it's nice to see you again. So over the last few weeks we've been sorting the van out, and we've put new rubbers on the bike rack, we've car plan number 1 super gloss, we've glossed all the van. We're just titivating it up. Now in my comments somebody messaged me and said, have you ever heard of son of a gun? STP protectorant, and I said I haven't, so he told me about it, and it's this, look. Now this is new to me. Now I'm not paid by anybody on my videos, I make them out of my own, I do it myself, nobody helps me out. Anyway, so this is a UV protector as well for your tyres. It's for rubber, leather, plastic. I don't know whether you can use it on the rubbers around your window, because I've read it and it does say don't put it near acrylic, or so I don't know if you can put it near these windows. So whether you could open the window, put it on, then wipe it off, shut the window after it's all dried, I've no idea, so I'm not going to do that. I mean, this is for my tyres and my dashboard, so I'm just going to do it on a tyre. I'm going to show you how it works on a tyre. You should start with an extremely clean tyre. I have got a bit of mud on my tyre, I've scraped it all off, I've washed the tyre, it just wanted a better wash than the wash I've given it. Anyway, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go outside, I'm going to spray it with this stuff. You spray it on, you leave it a few minutes, you wipe it off. And let's go and have a look what it looks like. Now then, what you need is an old pair of your boxer shorts that are no good, and you spray it on. Right, I will bring you a close-up so you can see what it looks like when I've wiped it off. I just wanted to give you an overall view of what I'm doing. So it's coming out like a milky product, if you will. You can put it on, I watched it online to see what you do with it, and the ones I've watched, they put it on once, let it dry a bit, wipe it off, and then they put it on again. So we might do that. Right, there we go. So I'll let that dry a bit and I'll bring you back. Car park got busy all of a sudden. Right, so when I say we're letting it dry, what we're actually doing, we're letting it soak in. We're letting it soak into the rubber. Now I've got Michelin tyres, but anyway, let's wipe it off. So we've let it soak in for a few minutes, and you just wipe it off. You're like washing all the van, but if your tyres are absolutely filthy, what I'm going to do is clean all the alloys as well. The front always gets all the dust with these are all around disc brakes on my van, but the front always seems to be worse than the back. Anyway, I was going somewhere else to do this video. There was a car accident, so I couldn't get there because I was going to do 2 jobs in one. I was going to hide the trail cam on a tree out of the way and make this video and then go back a few days after for trail cam, but I couldn't do it because there's obviously a car accident. So I've come to Harvey's and Matalan and everything all shut. Anyway, so I'll show you that. Let's have a look at that. How's that? Now I'm going to do them all, but I just thought I'd show you that one. You can get an idea of what's going on. So there you go, son of a gun, STP, UV protection for your tyres, just overall protection for your tyres, but does your dashboard, all the plastics, plastic, rubber, leather, good for the lot. So, and it was £5.70 off Amazon. There's no links in the description, you've got to go get your own. Told you, I'm not sponsored by anybody. So go get your own, son of a gun, sort your tyres out. Hey, and guess what? You might like the next video coming up. It's going to be a little food video, but it's a bit of a twist. I don't think we can do it outside because it's not fair, we're all on lockdown. So I'm going to have a walk around this car park, a bit of exercise, and you'll enjoy the food video, I'm sure. What I can cook in my van. So anyway, might be a bit better than the spaghetti bolognese meatballs I did. I should have done them smaller, but anyway, they were still beautiful. And somebody sent me a photograph of when they had theirs, so anyway. And hey Mike, if you're watching this, I got your email, and I know you're suffering, buddy, but I'm sure there's light at the end of the tunnel, mate. And anybody else that's suffering. I know Mike's suffering because he told me in an email, and I'm sure, Mike, you're going to get better. And just slow, steady progress, that's all you need. And if you're getting fun out of these videos, you know, I'm glad to be of service, buddy. Anyway, take care. Smithy's going to see you again. Stay safe, be lucky. See you next time.